Hello, I'm Craftable. Welcome to episode of Craft Along with Craftable. In this episode, I'm making Mega Diancie. Last week I made Diancie and I was like, wait, it has a Mega Evolution. So that's what I just decided to make for this week. I just want to let you all know that I do read all your comments and Pokemon requests, and regarding Pokemon requests, you can keep commenting them, but unless there is huge requests like it did for Lycanroc, then I probably won't make it. I'll just consider it when I have time to make them. But counting I have a lot to do on my plate, it's very unlikely. With that being said, making Mega Diancie took me about 5 hours to build and about 4 to 5 tries to do so. Why did I say 4 to 5 times? Because I don't remember. I'm just going to say that outright. But I know it took me many tries to make. The general instruction to making this model is first thing to do is make the head gems and attach them to the head. This is the most time consuming part, but once you get over that, it's a model basically almost done. Afterward, you build the body and attach the body to the head. Afterward, you build the underskirt. I don't really know what to call this piece. You skip to this time to see what I mean. But you build that, and then after that, you build all the gems that go on the bottom and attach that to the body. Afterward, you have a choice of supports to make. Again, why do I say choice of supports? You can skip to this time here. And then you're done. If you're still interested in making this model, you can download the templates in the first description. Since you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Is this a mythical Pokemon or legendary Pokemon? I don't know. You can comment that. With that out of the way, let's begin building. As for any other model, I like working from the top down, so in this case scenario I started by building the head. This is the most time consuming part of the model as there's a lot of different gems that need to be placed on the head. Regarding the placement for the gems on the head, just put them in any general location that looks nice and looks close to Mega Diancie. If you want a little bit more instructive way, I recommend placing the heart gem first on the head and then work around the head from counterclockwise to get everything spot. Regarding the white, I don't know, what are they called? Oh my god, I can't remember. They're called, God, I can't remember the top of my head. I don't know. It's gonna. What? You're just gonna hear me ramble for this. But it's okay, because it's gonna be a lot better. Why can't I remember what this is called? So, they're white hair part thingies. These things. I'm gonna just put them up on the screen. Yeah, because I can't remember what they're called. But for those, there's an option to make it 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional. And kind of this model's long enough, I made them 2-dimensional. These I put on the model now, even though later on, these will help you get the model stuff. I don't know what this is called. This is really bugging me. I don't know, but that's all I have to say for this part. And yeah. See, the head took so long to build that I've done finished building the body at the exact same time. Like, that's how long the head takes to build. I think you get that part by now. But this is the part that I said was the underskirt, or I don't know what to call it. But you attach that to the body in this section. Make sure there's a gap between the body and the underskirt so that you can slip the two, not the two, there's more than two. You slip the gems into the bottom gems into the counting all these are the same. You don't need me to see me build these multiple times. You only need to see me build it once, which is here. I'm just going to let you know if I wasn't filming how I would build this model. Is I take the left one here, build it, attach it in between the gap between the underskirt and the body, and then build the next one and do the same thing, and then keep going around the body until I did all of it. You can't go the other way around. I just prefer starting on the left side. That's just me. Decided to go this one. I've included both supports in the files when you download them, so you can pick which one you want to make. But yeah, that's how you get the model to stand. And that's it. That's how you make Mega Diancie. I mean, I don't know what else to say for this outro. I mean, it's quite redundant at what I'm about to say, but hey, I mean, it's an outro. I guess I'm supposed to summarize everything. But this model was quite easy to make. There's just a lot of pieces which contribute to the 5-hour building time. If you want to build this model with me, you could download the templates from the link in the description. Once you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if this is a mythical legendary Pokemon. I have no clue. And until next time.